Well, we've seen the, obviously a precipitous drop in the values on the public side of the sector, and the vaping crisis is just a small part of that. I mean, the reality is that on the cannabis side, a big portion of the reset on the public side has been due to the lack of regulatory progress at the federal level.
In terms of your concerns about how this could impact some of your investments, Matt, are you worried? I mean, there have been, the argument amongst the bulls in this space, the cannabis bulls, is that, when it comes to THC-related vaping deaths, these are isolated to the illegal markets. But actually in Oregon, there was a case of a middle-aged man who died, and it was connected to THC vaping products bought at a legal store.
Yeah, look, there is definitely a need for tighter regulation in the industry, having a federal overreaching program that could allow us to separate the bad actors from the good actors, because unfortunately there's still bad products being sold at licensed locations in certain states. Having said that, we aren't terribly concerned about the sector, because the truth is sector sales have grown. And meaning sales of THC-related products, which means that even though there's probably been a small drop in the vaping products on the THC side, there are so many other delivery mechanisms in the cannabis space that that's obviously been an increase in the use of some of those, which is attributed to the increase in sales.
Have you gone through and gone to your portfolio companies and asked them, amongst the vaping products they have, if they had vitamin E acetate within the cartridges? Because that has been found to be linked to many of these illnesses, specifically
Correct.
For THC vaping.
With absolutely. And the reality is, on the vitamin E acetate side of things, that really is what has been really in the illicit market versus the legalized market. All of the companies that we invest in and all the companies that I know have been invested in the cannabis space on the vaping side, use closed-loop systems to where the oil can't be tampered with.
And it does not already contain vitamin E acetate as a thickening agent.
That's exactly right.